In this Python Flet tutorial, we will learn how to use the switch object. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. In the previous video, we learned how to use the radio button object. Let's make an example with a switch in this video. First, I create a switch object for football. I set its value to false. I send the switch object variable to the add function. I added the switch object for football to the application. I am creating a switch object for basketball. I send the variable to the add function. I added two switch objects. We can change the default values of objects. For example, let's set the initial value of the basketball switch object to true. Now I am creating a button. When I click on the button, I want an appropriate text to be displayed on the screen. I added the button to the application. I am creating a text object. I send the object to the add function. I define a function using the onClick property for the button. I need to write some if queries in the function. For example, two objects cannot be selected at the same time. Or there cannot be a situation where both objects are not selected. One of two objects needs to be selected. I ensure that an appropriate text is displayed on the screen when the button is clicked while football is selected. While basketball is selected, I ensure that an appropriate text is displayed on the screen. Finally, I update the page. The application works as I want. I recommend you watch the next Flet lessons by following the playlist. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.